A declaration made under consciousness of an impending death is known as A. Part of res gestae, B. Admission, C. Confession, D. Dying declaration. Try to analyze this question before I reveal the answer. Make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa YouTube ko kung gusto mo pa ng mga ganitong content. D. Dying declaration. A declaration made under the consciousness of an impending death is known as a dying declaration. A dying declaration is a statement made by a person who believes that they are about to die, typically as a result of a serious injury or illness. In legal terms, a dying declaration is considered an exception to the hearsay rule, which prohibits the introduction of statements made out of court as evidence in a trial. This exception is based on the idea that a person who believes that they are about to die has no reason to lie and is therefore likely to make a truthful statement. A dying declaration can be used as evidence in a criminal trial, provided that the person making the statement was conscious and aware of their impending death and that the statement was made voluntarily. The statement must also be relevant to the circumstances of the case and must have been made in a manner that would have allowed the person to be cross-examined if they had lived. Sa madaling salita, ang dying declaration ay isang statement ng taong malapit ng mamatay o wala ng pag-asang mabuhay pa ay kinokonsiderang exemption sa hearsay rule. Ito ay pwedeng maging ebidensya sa criminal trial, pero may mga kondisyon para ito ay pwedeng magamit. Katulad na lang na ang taong mamamatay na ay conscious at alam niyang wala na siyang chance na mabuhay pa, at dapat ay voluntarily niya itong sinabi. Kaya tinatanggap ito sa korte ay dahil naniniwala na kapag ang taong malapit ng mamatay ay wala na siyang rason para magsinungaling pa. Study smarter, not harder. Follow for more!